Let's move on then to another corporate voice and understand the key growth drivers for dollar industries. Vinod Gupta is the managing director now joining us. Thanks so much for taking time out. Let's start off this discussion by just assessing what the demand outlook has been like. I understand that it's been a little bit muted over the past many quarters. Has the situation changed now?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, the situation of the industry has really changed. And now we are feeling better because whatever bad times had been, we had in 2020 to 23 and then the first half of 23-24. All the bad time has gone, is away now. We are back on the business in terms of both the top line and the bottom line. The things are improving really a lot.
Things are improving, but in terms of growth rate also, what is that one could expect from the company now going forward? So obviously things are improving, but raw material price, that still remains volatile in terms of the cotton prices when you talk about it. So what is that, and where do you see it in terms of growth also coming in Q4 as well as FY25? What's the expectation?
Yeah, in terms of growth, we have already earmarked to grow between 12 to 14% CAGR. And in Q4, really, we are the opportunity is away. I mean, it's in the market in this segment also, and we hope to do a good amount of business in Q4, and then the to grow in the future with a CAGR rate of 12 to 14%. And with regard to the raw material prices, yes, the raw material prices are little volatile now. It's been volatile since 1 month. But then we understand that the volatility is not that much, which is going to affect our growth rate and the top line as well as the bottom line.
Also, I just want to understand now, what do you see that is going to be a growth driver for the industry, that's the innerwear industry, innerwear market, as well as for the company going forward as well? Especially, given that, tier 2, tier 3 cities now seem to be participating a bit more. So, what are the factors that will actually lead to the growth for the company?
The factors which are going to lead the growth of the company is we are expanding in terms of category. The last 2 years before we had launched athleisure. Athleisure doing a good amount of business, and that is also contributing to almost 15% of our top line. And we see a good amount of growth into this particular segment. And we have earmarked a growth rate of not less than 30 to 40% for the few years. Now for the lingerie, we have already launched bras only last year, and we see a good amount of growth into this lingerie segment. And we are also launched kid wear this summer only. And so basically, if you look into the categories which are going to drive the growth for our company, is these all lingerie, kids wear, and the athleisure.
Sure. One more thing I just want to know that, given that we are seeing that, premium categories of any company are doing much better than mass categories, is that the trend that has still continued even for your company as well?
Yeah, if we look at the top line, almost 48% of our top line is being consisting of the premium range, and 43% is for the economy range. These numbers were otherwise 1 year back when the raw material prices jumped to the highest level, and people were looking for the economy range of product. But now the things have come back again for the premium segment to grow. And again, we also understand in future the total percentage of premium segment into our total revenue will be better than the economy range.
What about your EBITDA margins? There was a guidance of about 12 to 13% for FY25. That's the management of dollar industries talking about how demand is rebounding, and they're looking at a CAGR of about 12 to 14%. Athleisure is going to be an area of growth.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.